Here are some alternative ways to say I'm hungry. I could eat. I could eat. I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm famished. I'm famished. I'm feeling a bit peckish. I'm feeling a bit peckish. I could go for something to eat. I could go for something to eat. I have a rumbling stomach. I have a rumbling stomach. I'm craving something to eat. I'm craving something to eat. I'm ravenous. I'm ravenous.
Here are several alternative ways to say nice to meet you in different contexts. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm delighted to meet you. I'm delighted to meet you. It's an honor to meet you. It's an honor to meet you. Great to meet you. Great to meet you. It's a privilege to meet you. It's a privilege to meet you. A pleasure to make your acquaintance. A pleasure to make your acquaintance. So nice to finally meet you. So nice to finally meet you. Glad to connect with you. Glad to connect with you. Great to finally put a face to the name. Great to finally put a face to the name. Looking forward to our conversation. Looking forward to our conversation.
Here are some alternative ways to say I'm not sure. I'm not certain. I'm not certain. I can't say for sure. I can't say for sure. I don't have a definite answer. I don't have a definite answer. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure. I'm unsure at the moment. I'm unsure at the moment. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have my doubts. I have my doubts. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I'm on the fence about it. I'm on the fence about it. I guess so, but I'm not 100% sure. I guess so, but I'm not 100% sure. I suppose so, but I could be wrong. I suppose so, but I could be wrong. Let me double check on that. Let me double check on that. That's something I'd have to confirm. That's something I'd have to confirm. I don't have enough information to say. I don't have enough information to say.
Here are several alternative ways to say I can't hear you. You're breaking up. You're breaking up. Could you speak up? Could you speak up? I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Sorry, I missed that. Sorry, I missed that. You're cutting out. You're cutting out. I can barely hear you. I can barely hear you. You're too quiet. You're too quiet. Your voice is muffled. Your voice is muffled. Come again? Come again? What was that? What was that? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? I think you're on mute. I think you're on mute. The background noise is too loud. The background noise is too loud. It's too noisy here. Can you say that again? It's too noisy here. Can you say that again? Speak louder, please. Speak louder, please.
Here are several alternative ways to say it's difficult. It's tough, it's tough. It's challenging, it's challenging. It's tricky, it's tricky. It's complicated, it's complicated. It's not easy, it's not easy. It's a struggle, it's a struggle. It's demanding, it's demanding. It's hard to handle, it's hard to handle. It's no walk in the park, it's no walk in the park. It's a tough nut to crack, it's a tough nut to crack. It's an uphill battle, it's an uphill battle. It's a real hassle, it's a real hassle. It's a pain, it's a pain. It's not a piece of cake, it's not a piece of cake. It's exhausting, it's exhausting. It's mentally draining, it's mentally draining. It's quite the challenge, it's quite the challenge. It's a bit of a headache, it's a bit of a headache. It's no easy feat, it's no easy feat. It's a tall order, it's a tall order.
Here are some alternatives to say, it's raining. It's drizzling, it's drizzling. It's pouring, it's pouring. It's sprinkling, it's sprinkling. It's showering, it's showering. There's a light rain, there's a light rain. It's coming down, it's coming down. Looks like we're getting some rain, looks like we're getting some rain. It's wet outside, it's wet outside. It's starting to rain, it's starting to rain. We're having a rainy day, we're having a rainy day. It's raining cats and dogs, it's raining cats and dogs. It's bucketing down, it's bucketing down. It's coming down in sheets, it's coming down in sheets. It's pelting outside, it's pelting outside. The clouds have burst open, the clouds have burst open.
Here are some alternative ways to say, I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I feel under the weather. I feel under the weather. I think I'm coming down with something. I think I'm coming down with something. I'm a bit out of sorts. I'm a bit out of sorts. I'm feeling lousy. I'm feeling lousy. I'm down for the count. I'm down for the count. I have a fever. I have a fever. I caught a cold. I caught a cold. I'm feeling nauseous. I'm feeling nauseous. I have a splitting headache. I have a splitting headache. I'm feeling off today. I'm feeling off today. I'm not at my best. I'm not at my best. I'm feeling rough. I'm feeling rough. I'm not in good shape. I'm not in good shape. I'm down bad. I'm down bad. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.